walkthrough tip, we're gonna go over a quick tip on roofing. When walking through a property for rehab, you may be wondering whether or not you should replace the roof. Mike has a great and quick tip on when and where you should consider replacing your roof. Let's hand it over to Mike and see what he has to say.
All right. So, obviously windows. How about the roof?
I think it'd be a bit too.
There's a shingle missing on the front?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I didn't notice that either, but that doesn't mean anything because I figured just replace it.
Slip one in there.
Yeah, I already got it calculated in to replace the roof.
Okay.
Do you always just kind of assume to replace the roof?
When I look at a property, if it's a rehab and it doesn't look like it's brand new, and if it's not architectural shingles, then I generally just assume to do it.
Gotcha.
Just general rule.
Yeah, that doesn't mean I will do it. At this point, I assume I'm going to have to do it.
Okay, that's fair.
I've learned that lesson too many times that I didn't calculate for it, and then as you're doing the renovation, then you find a missing shingle.
Right.
Or you get somebody up there and they're cleaning the roof and they step through a hole, like I just had.
Rotted.
So we just had to patch the roof on it on one.
No.
So I always just assume that unless I can see it's already brand new roof. So like here, you look at the neighbors' houses, and a lot of them have already been redone with architectural shingles, and then we have 3-tab shingle here, and it's older.
Well,
Now,
there's hail damage. There was hail, so that's probably why a lot of the roofs are redone.
yeah, this one. Okay, interesting. Wonder why this one never got done then. If it was,
Took the money and ran.
Bad adjuster. Oh yeah, that's.
that could be they took the money and ran.
Because the insurance company paid for it, whether they put it on or not is up to
Yeah. So, and when you get up there, you might start seeing some damage to the roof. So,
Mike, back to the roof. How much do you assume that it's going to cost to re-roof?
how much do I figure for this
The
roof?
house and the garage. I'm assuming you do the garage also.
Yep. So, I think I got about 3,500 to 4,000 for the house, and then probably about 1,200 to 1,500 for the garage. So, house and garage, 5,500 to 6,000.
Okay.
I'd say at the most.
When the roof looks a little older and may have a little bit of damage, Mike always factors in to replace it. This will help relieve a lot of stress when and if an accident happens when doing the rehab, or if you miss something on your walkthrough. If you guys thought this video was helpful, please hit the like button and share it with someone who may need this information, and we'll see you guys in the next one.